the stress of IVF. Most people are extremely worried about the stress which an IVF patient has to go through, and let's break that down. There is the physical stress of having to take the shots, going to the doctor, getting the vaginal ultrasound scans done, going through the actual process, which is definitely difficult. There is the financial stress of spending all that money without ever being sure whether it's going to work or not. And finally, there's that emotional stress that you're putting your body through this procedure without being sure whether it's going to work or not. And often the emotional stress is what really makes the ride so hard, because it often is like an emotional roller coaster journey. No one knows what the outcome of the IVF cycle is going to be. Is it going to work in the first attempt? Is it going to take 2? Is it going to take 3? And it's this anxiety which adds to a patient's stress levels. And unfortunately, the fact remains that we can control the process, but we can't control the outcome. But I think patients need to remember that there is a lot which they can do to reduce their stress levels. I'm not saying the IVF journey will ever be fun, but at least if you understand what's happening, you're in control of the journey. You know what's happening. And if you've done your homework, you'll be able to figure out, okay, the next time the doctor will do a scan, the next time the doctor will do a blood test, this is what I expect to see on the ultrasound scan. You can actually ask your doctor to show you how your follicles are growing on the ultrasound scans when you're doing your IVF cycle, because you can actually see what's happening. And if you've done your homework and you find a doctor who respects you, you'll be able to actually monitor your own IVF journey for yourself. And it can be an exciting journey. Now, either you approach it from a position of dread, anxiety, fear, because you have no idea what's going to happen, your doctor doesn't bother to talk to you, and you've heard all these horror stories about how painful it is, either from your friends or from IVF bulletin boards or from other patients. But on the other hand, if you find a kind, empathetic doctor who understands what you're going through and will help you walk the journey, and if you've done your homework, what I call information therapy, so you know what to expect, I can promise you that this can actually be a journey which you're excited about, which you look forward to, because this is the one method which maximizes your chance of having a baby. Have questions? Feel free to ask me. I'm Dr. Malpani. Our website is www.drmalpani.com. I'm happy to help you to have a baby, which is why I offer a free second opinion. See you there.